Hey, move over. You're crowding me.
I'm in the way?
You're crowding me.
You're in the way.
This is
Everybody's
ridiculous.
gotta get the
It's
heck
so
out of
crowded
here.
in here. You're crowding me too. And it's cramped in here. Dude, move over. I can't. Jim's squishing me. No, I'm not.
What's she doing?
What's that thing? Oh, wait, what's she doing? What's going on? Wait, what's that thing? Okay. What's that thing? I wonder what she's doing. I don't know. You probably shouldn't ask me because I don't know what's going on.
Wow. I get it. She's making a popcorn string.
Hey, that's pretty cool. Hey,
Whoa, hey,
what the heck's
what's
going on here? Finally
Whoa.
some room to move. Hey, where's she taking Jim? Oh, this hurts. Oh.
Would you two shut up? Jeez, the things a guy's got to do to get some peace and quiet around here.